artist. I'm Mariana Olsen, and today we're drawing Floppy. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're gonna draw Floppy from Bluey. This is the stuffy bunny that Bingo carries around, and I hope you like this lesson. Let's start in the middle of the paper, and then we're gonna go up, and the first thing we're gonna do is the nose. We're gonna start with a line, and then underneath the line we're gonna do kind of like a Y letter U from side to side. Next, we're gonna do in the middle here a line that goes down, and it's a short line. And then we're gonna do a smile underneath that is gonna go from side to side. Next, we're gonna do the eyes, and Floppy has big eyes. So I'm gonna go here on top of this corner, and I'm gonna do a circle that is big. And inside, I wanna do another circle that is gonna go right here next to the right side. Next, I want to do the other circle here on top of the nose. And my circles are leaning a little bit in, okay? And I want to do a second circle now inside that is going to go really close to the center or the inside of the eyes. Now, these two circles I'm going to fill with black. Let's continue now with the eyebrows. I'm gonna do two oval shapes right here on top of the eye. So I wanna leave a little bit of a space, and then we're gonna do a oval shape, just like this. And it is the same. They're gonna point slightly to the top, okay? So we're gonna do a little bit diagonal pointing up, just like this. Now we're gonna close the face. So the face is gonna be an oval shape that is gonna go around all these shapes. And I want to start here on the top. Now, if your eyebrows are on the way, we're just going to pass in behind them, okay? So I want to start going from the center to the left. I want to go around the mouth, and I want to come down now on this side. And I'm just going to try to join my lines. So here, I want to pass this line really close. I want to try to do my oval shape and connect it here. There. Now let's continue with the body. The body is going to be like a long letter U, and I want to start on the left side, and I want to start going down. And this letter U is a little bit longer than the head, just like this. And on the bottom, we're going to do kind of like a half a circle here. Okay. Now let's continue with the arms before we can do the ears. So we're gonna do the arms first because they are on the front, and we're gonna go down, curve, and go back up. Let's do it again. I wanna start here on top. I wanna go up a little. I wanna go down, and I wanna start curving and connect with the body. Now that I have the arms, I can do the ears. So I'm gonna go here on top of this eyebrow, and I'm gonna go up. And I want to start going down, and I want to connect with the arm, kind of like halfway the arm. And I want to repeat this line one more time. And this line is going to go really close to the first one. So I'm going to go up and down, and I want to start curving and connect here. Let's repeat the same steps. I'm going to go here on top of the eyebrow. And I'm going to go down, curving like this. And I want to do my line double. There. Now we're going to do lines that are going inside of her ears. And I want to start here on the top. The first two lines go 1 and 2. And in the other side, I want to try to put it at the same distance, 1 and 2. Now we're going to do 2 more sets of lines. I'm going to leave a space, and I'm going to do 1 and 2, and I'm going to try to follow the same distance for my second lines here, and the last line is just going to be 1 here almost at the end. We're almost done. Now we're going to just do his legs, and they're going to be kind of like the same shapes as the arms, except that these ones are going to be a little wider. So I'm going to go here, down here a little, and I'm going to go doing my U shape and come back up. And the same thing here. I'm gonna start going down here a little, U shape, and come back up. And there, that's it. We finished this bunny, Floppy, from Bluey and Bingo. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors. Floppy usually is like this purple color and it has the inside of his ear and these ones. But remember, this is your picture and you can change all the colors. You can totally change this bunny. So this bunny can be your bunny and you can even change the name. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!